guys, it's Easter Friday, and one of the traditions that I grew up in Trinidad doing is putting an egg white in a glass of water. So it's pretty overcast right now. Hopefully the sun will come out as the day progresses. So here I have my egg white, and here I have my glass of, you just want some tap water, and all you do is take your egg white and drop it into that glass of water. What you do is allow it to sit here in the sun for a couple of hours, and then we'll come back and we'll see what it forms. Sometimes it may form a boat, it may form a castle, it depends on. So let's see what my egg white does today. Think it wants to look like? I would say maybe a castle in truth, you know, with the peaks of the castle. So I'm gonna leave this a little longer and let's see. The sun is very hot right now, so hopefully it changes or it turns into something really magnificent. So to me this seems like it's going to turn out to be a castle. I don't think it's gonna be anything else, but it looks pretty weird, right? Just look at it. So guys, the egg has stayed in this glass all day. It's now 6 p.m. and I noticed when the sun went away, the shape or whatever was in there that formed in the glass, it also started to go away. So if you guys try this on Easter Friday or Good Friday, let me know what you all think. Let me know your thoughts on this tradition that everyone does for Easter Friday or Good Friday. I am quite interested to hear what you guys think, so leave me a comment down below. Tell me if you did it this Friday, and I can't wait to hear from you guys. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.